The Battle of Dettingen, fought on June 27, 1743, near the village of Dettingen in Bavaria, modern-day Germany, was a significant engagement during the War of the Austrian Succession. It was the last time a British monarch, George II, personally led troops into battle. The conflict arose from the complex European power struggles over the Austrian Succession. The British, allied with the Austrians and Dutch, faced the French and Bavarian forces. The battle began with a series of skirmishes as the opposing armies maneuver for position. The French, under the command of the Duke of Noailles, launched a determined assault on the Allied lines. Despite initial French successes, including capturing a British cannon, the Allied forces, commanded by George II and the Duke of Cumberland, repelled the attacks. The tide turned when British and Hanoverian cavalry, supported by Dutch infantry, launched a decisive counterattack, breaking through the French lines and forcing them into retreat. The Battle of Dettingen resulted in a significant victory for the Allies, boosting their morale and enhancing their position in the wider European conflict. It was the last major battle in which a British monarch participated and remains notable in British military history.